Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. I want to give Ringke a huge shout out for sending me the Ringke tempered glass premium screen protectors. And I say protectors because you get two in this packaging. That's right, folks, not just one, but two. And that right there is a thumbs up. You're also going to get high hardness scratch resistance, maximum HD resolution, perfect touch precision, and anti-chip with external force absorption. And you do get a guide tool included, which is going to help the install process go a lot smoother. And if you've never installed any type of screen protector on any smartphone, please read everything on the back of this packaging here. The installation guide is laid out there for you. It's a very simple process. You're going to see me do it here in this video. But yeah, read everything and all the information to purchase the Ringke tempered glass premium glass protectors. That will be down below in the description area. So with that, what I'm going to do is go through everything that's in the package. And then I'm going to start the install process. I'll speed up the process a bit, play some music for your entertainment. Two things before I begin. Find a time in your day where everything is low key so you don't screw anything up, okay? You don't want a lot of chaoticness going on around you. You're just not going to be able to focus, and the last thing you want to do is screw up the installation. Second, turn off the display. That way you're not accidentally touching anything on the display. It's just going to be super annoying. So yeah, turn off your Nothing Phone 2A. I've already done that. So with that, let's go through the package. There's the little guide tool. Super helpful little tool. And you get a little squeegee, a microcloth, and alcohol prep wipes. And you'll get some dust removal stickers all in here. So there's your dust removal stickers. Put that over there. Microcloth. Two screen and lens cleaning wipes, alcohol prep wipes here. One for the one that we're going to use today as far as the screen protector, and save the other one for the other screen protector sometime down in the future. And there's your squeegee. Okay, so and there is the tempered glass screen protector. Yeah, that is nice. And there's the other one. Okay, so we're not going to need that one. We'll put that one to the side. That to the side. That. Then what you want to do is take the bottom half of your guide tool, stick it in the USB Type-C charging port. As we place the little cutouts into the guide tool here, you're going to put the top on like that, so it clicks right in there. Okay, now you want to remove the top half of the tool, lift up the protective outer film, and move away from the tempered glass screen protector from Ringke that is now adhering, sticking to the Nothing Phone 2A. And that looks great. Okay, right here I have the official Nothing Phone 2A clear case that came with my Nothing Phone 2A smartphone. And what we want to see is that the case doesn't lift up the sides, top, bottom, or corners of the Ringke tempered glass screen protector. And there's no lifting whatsoever. In fact, you can see a little bit of a gap there, and up in there you can see that. The lights are helping here, so you can see that. Wow, that is nice. Just enough distance between the tempered glass screen protector and the lip of the case, so there's not going to be any issues. All right. Any questions, please ask down below in the comments section. Again, it's a pretty simple process. Just read everything. You can follow what I did here in this video, and there are other videos out there too. So just get yourself to a point where you're really comfortable as far as the installation. And again, choose a non-chaotic moment. And there we go. Huge shout out, Ringke. And to all of you, God bless you. Stay safe and healthy. Peace. I am out.